We are talking about how to create a guerrilla marketing campaign to blow your business up. There are 5 elements that you need to really launch the right type of guerrilla marketing campaign. And we're going to be sharing that. However, before we get there, here's a little inspiration for you. Did you see that? That's from the Phoenix Open a couple weeks ago. And that guy, all he wore were some underwear, and on his back, you saw it. Ran around, got a lot of attention. People had their phones on him. He was getting a ton of social media exposure, but he did get arrested. And the people who bailed him out of jail were the underwear company. It was the underwear company. So anyway, they saw it. They knew that that was their opportunity to get a lot more exposure. And so those are things that we can do too. Not saying that you need to streak through some big event, but here are some ideas to get your creative juices going on what you can do to create a marketing campaign. So the 5 elements that you need: 1, it needs to be inexpensive. Number 2, it needs to stay on brand. You want to be consistent with what you're doing. Number 3, it needs to make a bold statement. Clearly he did. Number 4, it needs to be unconventional. And number 5, unauthorized, as you can see. So get your creative juices. What can you do? Where's your audience at? Are they at conventions? Are they at some industry event? Are they in a mall? Where are they? And what can you do to stand out? Is it